On August 22, 2022, terror and violence struck the quiet little town of Dovecot, Liverpool in an unthinkable act of violence. 9-year-old Olivia Pratt-Korbel was shot and killed, and her mother, Cheryl Korbel, was shot through the hand. Today, Thomas Cashman has been found guilty by a jury at Manchester Crown Court of murdering Olivia and wounding her mother. The trial depicted a brutal yet tragically familiar case of a drug-dealing, ruthless criminal recklessly pursuing a target and displaying not an ounce of remorse or guilt. Cashman refused to accept his involvement in the crime, and the court was forced to move to Manchester, as Cashman felt he would not receive a fair hearing in Merseyside due to the tensions over the case. The jury heard how Cashman had seen the door to the Korbel residence open as Joseph Ney ran for safety, and opened fire without a thought for the consequences. Total strangers reported having heard the worst screaming of their lives in the aftermath of the shooting, and one neighbor, Olivia Heffron, said she had never seen anyone as distressed as Cheryl Korbel. The tragic evening had, until that moment, been an ordinary evening for Olivia, who had struggled to sleep in the warm weather, and was at the bottom of the stairs when the commotion began. Cashman, who had described himself as a dad, not a killer, now faces life with a minimum term of at least 30 years in prison. The Chief Constable of Merseyside Police, Serena Kennedy, paid respects to Olivia's family and praised the work of the investigation team and the Crown Prosecution Service for bringing the killer to justice. This case has broken the hearts of many in this small community, and serves as a painful reminder that violence and tragedy can strike at any moment and shake the foundations of our safe and secure lives. We can only hope and pray for justice for all those affected by this tragedy, and that the punishment against Thomas Cashman will bring some solace to those deprived of Olivia.